Hello all. Till now we finished what is Simulink. Now let's get started with working with a Simulink. So first in working with the Simulink, launching the Simulink. So there are various ways to launch the Simulink. I'll show you in Matlab. Okay, fine. So you already had in the basics of Matlab session. In this home window, we have one tab here, Simulink. So we can open by clicking here Simulink as well, or else we can come here in a new. From here also we can open the Simulink model. Okay, these are the two ways. And one more way to open the Simulink is you can write the Simulink in command window. Like you can see here, I am writing. So it will open it from here as well, from command window. So there are total three ways to open a Simulink. One is directly from the here home browser where we have Simulink tab. Another one is from new. You can open a Simulink model, or you can write a command Simulink in a command window. Okay. So once that Simulink window open, okay, so you will be able to see in that way of the window. Okay, so there are a few templates. Currently here no templates are there. Examples, there are total three tabs are here, where example, learn and new. So we have to work with here with new only. So in Simulink you can see there are seven eight around eight blocks are here. So first is blank model, blank subsystem, blank library, like blank project folder to the project, like project from grid, project from SVN and code generation and all these things are here. But we are working with blank model now, and subsystem library, that all these things we will learn later once we will go into that complete learning of each and everything. Okay, so from here I can create a blank model first. So you can see now it's creating a blank model. Now that main Simulink tab where the blank Simulink model was there, like one layout will open in front of us. Okay, just it will take some time to open. Great. Okay, so in a Simulink, once it will be open, we have like for like some step-wise procedure we have to do. So this is first step. Open the Simulink, then open the Simulink editor. So this is the Simulink editor. Previous was the Simulink tab. This is the Simulink editor. Open Simulink library browser. Then we have to open the library browser. Then add models to the block. Then add blocks to the model. Configure the block parameter. Connect the blocks. Define the model configuration parameters and run the simulation. These are few process. So I'll introduce you this window as well now to you. Okay, so you can see here in a Matlab we have some home plot apps in that way. Okay, but in Simulink, if we have like simulation, debug, modeling, format, and apps. Okay, so we will learn few things from here now. Once we will start learning, like once we start implementation, then we will study thoroughly all about this. Okay, so from here we can one more, if we want to create a blank model or some chart like for stateflow and all this thing, we can create directly from here as well. If we want to open some previous model, we can open browser file from here and we can open that as it is. Okay, and from library browser, so this is very important thing in a Simulink. Okay, it's opening. So in that library, we will have all the Simulink blocks what we want. Like if like some commonly used block where we have some input as a constant, direct conversion, gain, or like some logical operators like multiplexer, mux, demux, or so many things are here. Okay, so this is the way how we can open the Simulink. Now we launched the Simulink. We are at the Simulink now. I'm introducing you the Simulink library browser here. So in library browser, we will like this is a Simulink commonly used block where all commonly used blocks will be present. Okay, in a Simulink, then second one is continuous. that continuous like integrator, derivator, derivatives, and all this thing will come in a continuous functions. Okay, so these are the some continuous blocks. So these are some dashboard kind of things where we can use a switch, or we can use some checkbox to select the input. Okay, so in dashboard also we will having so many options. So mainly basically important to us to learn here like ports and subsystem, which we are frequently using. So here we can use from ports and subsystems from here. And another one is like sync, where the all output, where we can see the output that all things should be here, like display, scope, or what we want in workspace, and all these things are here. And source, from where we can pass the inputs to the model. So this is the source block. Okay, so this is all about the this is like basics of the Simulink library, I can say. Once we will start the learning in depth, then we will go and we will study each and every block thoroughly. Okay, so how we can find the blocks or something in a Simulink, next point is like, okay, so if I want like some like product, so I'll search here. You can see it is searching here, and how many the product blocks are there or multiplier are there. I am on that. So if I'm here library browser, I can search. For searching it will take time. Okay, till that time it will search, we will see something. Okay, then how we can get a help from a Simulink? So there are various options to get Simulink help as well. Okay, I'll show you. Once we open, we'll drag drop any one of the block only. If you know the name, then we can search it from here as well. But I'll show you few more shortcuts in Simulink model only itself. At coming classes. Okay, okay. I cancel this. It is taking much more time for us. Okay.